Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Rainbet, and this is going to be a full tutorial for beginners. Now the first thing I want you to do is come into rainbet.com, and of course you need to register an account. So you just come in the top right, click on register, and you can enter your username, email address, and password, or of course you can sign in with these options right here, MetaMask, Steam, or Google. So I'll just choose my Google account and log in with that. And then I'll actually show you how to deposit money into your account. So right now this is loading up, and then as you can see, I've successfully logged in. And now here at the top, you'll notice there's a dollar symbol with a currency. Now I have $0 right now, but our balance is of course $0. The currency is being displayed in USD. Of course, you can click on wallet settings and change your currency that is being displayed. I'll close this right now. I'll show you how to deposit money. So you click on wallet, and then what you want to do right here under deposit, you select your crypto. Okay. And usually we get different options. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Litecoin, these other tokens as well. You can search these up. Usually I use USDT. You can select network, which usually should be BSC. Okay. Of course, it depends on your wallet. And then they will give you a deposit address. Now remember to only do USDT on the BSC network, and then you just go to your wallet and then click there on withdraw, and you use these exact details. BSC as a network, currency USDT, deposit address right here, and make sure you send at least $15. And if you want to do banking, you can use Interac or Pix. You can of course buy crypto using these options. This one is powered by MoonPay. These are the payment methods. And you can also buy, Rainbet gift cards using these options as well. Now, if you want to withdraw, you just come here, select your crypto that you had deposited. You choose your network, usually BSC, and then you put in your wallet address and whether you want to do standard or priority, okay, and enter the amount. And it has to basically be above your current balance, and then tap on withdraw. Really that easy. And then right here, these are the wagers, and you get different tiers. So the higher tier you are, the more rewards you get. And then you can also enter raffles and daily races to get rewards as well. And usually once you are at a certain VIP level, you get a rake back. You get daily bonuses, weekly bonuses, and monthly bonuses as well. For that, usually you need to be at least a tier, okay, in the Rainbet Casino. Now, right here, we have the casino section. We have sportsbook. Sportsbook are live games. Casinos are basically, there's originals, and these are computer games. There's also live games as well. For example, live roulette. And there's also digital roulette. Okay. Now, I can't actually show you by playing these games because of YouTube's terms and services, but I have basically shown you how to use Rainbet overall. If you want to go to the sports section, you just click here on sports, and you can begin doing your sports bet. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.